One of the key benefits of the Domino N610i is its highly opaque white ink, which offers a silk screen-like finish. Specifically designed by Domino, it is superior to Flexo and Toner White, with the highest opacity on the market. It offers a cost-effective alternative to screen printing. In addition, this white ink allows you to create an endless scope of texture effects. The Textures by Domino inkjet capability opens up new opportunities for you, without the need to invest in expensive textured substrates. The Domino N610i inkjet label press is your solution. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what our customers have to say.